Mike, how does she look?
Way too good, guys. But my lip scrapes on everything because my front tires are a thinner profile. So I had to pull into the exit of the car wash rather than the entrance. Because the entrance is like a roller coaster. It's just like, boom.
All right, you guys just got to the show. Got everything cleaned up on it. Looking super good. It's a crazy turnout today because it's not too often that you have like 60-degree weather in December. So definitely enjoying how nice it is today. But you got Zach parked right there. He's trying to have people do a little treasure hunt and find the turbo in there. Keeping the hood down. Zach, you having a good time, man? He's about to leave us on tomorrow, right?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oh, it's changing every day.
Well, it's like Monday night, Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
Leave.
But anyways, I thought it'd be a good thing to bring Zach with us today because he's never been to a slush meet and he's got to enjoy the car one more time before he heads out. Dante and James over here. What's up, fellas?
What's going down?
Broncos baby, we better win today.
Yes, sir.
Dante's car. This crazy single turbo kit.
Oh, okay.
Guys, check out this E92 M3 though. Not seen this one in Colorado before. This thing looks sick. I dig it. The license plate, that's pretty funny. We got this awesome E36 or E46 M3. I've seen this one before. It's always cool to see it. Looks like we had a couple Broncos come out today. I think they look pretty good, lifted with some bigger tires. Not too bad. I like the two-door ones though, because that's more classic to what they used to be. You can hear the camshaft in this thing. Sounds good. We've got an Audi R8. Seen this one a few times. I think this is Midnight Purple. This thing looks awesome. Such a clean GTR. Right-hand drive too. Damn, check out this NSX. This thing is super clean. These things are like pancakes, guys. They're so low. They're never aging body style. This thing just looks way too good. So this is what you learned how to drive stick in, right, Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I actually learned how to drive stick in a Subaru too, but it was a Forester. It wasn't anything cool like this.
Yeah. This is the first one.
That's awesome.
This is my baby.
Looks good though. It's all low and everything.
Yep.
Looks lower than my car, honestly. Maybe it's just the angle of the parking lot. Got a clean E92. Damn, that wrap is super sick. I dig it.
Trust.
Got a Porsche, another E90. All right, guys, check out this wide body GTR. We passed this thing on the highway. This thing's wild. These wide body GTRs just have so much presence on the road. It's ridiculous. Zach got pretty happy. He called me as soon as we passed it. He's like, "Did you see that thing?" You got a little too excited. Got a clean Supra pulling in. Guys, check this thing out. This is most likely, what did you, like a drift build? But check out this 2JZ. Got the paint match turbo. This thing looks awesome. Can never go wrong with this engine. We got other Supras too. Dang, bro, look at this meats. Look crazy. What's up, man? I'll come talk to you later. It looks good. Yeah, he just put welds on his M4. That looks awesome. You got your classic Christmas tree shopper right on the roof. At least you put a blanket on the roof so it doesn't scratch it. I've seen some where they don't use a blanket. I'm like, aren't you afraid of scratching your roof? We got this Lambo. This thing is crazy. Looking too clean.
No, I've had it. Just for some reason, they're having an issue with the...
Those brake calipers. I love that shade of blue.
You bought it in Texas? Yeah, that's right.
Got another GTR with this like matte red wrap. I dig it. Pretty sure this car's really fast too. I think I've seen it on Instagram. We got Armando's and I believe Jose's car. Their F80's always looking super clean. This is the F80 that I rode in that one night when we all went street racing. So he's on upgraded turbos and it was pretty fun. And we got a Gallardo. These things are going down in value. This would be a nice supercar to kind of step into.
You'd want to get the gated manual.
Yeah. Oh yeah, without a doubt.
All right, guys, we're gonna take a quick ride with Jorge because he just got the welds on the M4. We're both running similar tunes, but he's trying an off-the-shelf E30 mix right now. So we're gonna hop in the M4 and see how this feels because I really want to see what these tires feel like putting the power down because I've only used street tires. So let's hop in. All right, guys, so we are in the M4 now. And yeah, we're gonna take it on the block. They've got like a perfect stretch of road where we can do a pull in it. So let's see how these welds perform. Mickey Thompson's, right?
No, they're NTO5Rs.
NTO5Rs. All right, still super sticky tires. Oh yeah. Bro, no, like no slippage.
Yeah,
it just put it down. Damn, yeah, this feels faster than my car right now. Now I want welds. Why'd you do this to me? That feels great. These cars are just so like tail happy, so when you actually put traction in them, they feel like a whole different car. That's what Jorge was telling me. He was like, dude, my car feels different. Having traction's a whole different world.
I used to spin a lot of 4-year-olds and now it's just real.
That's what I'm talking about. You guys just put the right tires, the right wheels on these things, and they will hook.
Yeah, it hooks nice.
That was crazy, man. We got everybody at the show just watching to see some pulls. It's a busy day. Yeah. Literally no slippage.
No slip, just grip
Just pure power. That's awesome. Look at that in the mirror. You can see the meat popping out. On the camera, you can see how thick the wheels are on this car. That's hilarious. You can see them poking out a little bit. That's awesome. Sweet, well thanks for the ride, bro. That was awesome. Classic Mustangs over here. Zach and I were saying that we honestly prefer the older Mustangs, right, than the new ones. They just look so classy. Such a good look for their time era. Dang, check out this Ferrari. It's got the gated 6-speed manual, if you guys can see that. Such a classic look. I love the air vents inside the door, just so stylish. I would not mind an old school Ferrari. Got this 675 LT that just pulled up. He's got the roof scoop on it.
It's a 600 LT.
Or 600 LT, shoot. I need to learn my McLarens. This thing is beautiful though. I love this color. We got a Huracan that pulled up right next to it. Damn, check out this R34. Right-hand drive. This thing's gonna be a bass to drive. It's yours? Hell yeah. This thing's super fun. Alright guys, we just left the show. We're gonna get some Torchy's tacos. And this is a photo moment right now. We gotta take some pictures of the cars. We look good together. Zach got lost somewhere, so we'll see if he shows up. But yeah, it was a good meet. Got our lunch right here, some Torchy's tacos. These guys are suffering because we got our food before them. About to dig into this.
Oh yeah.